Hey everybody, your friendly math tutor here with the daily SAT challenge, Sunday, May 31st, 2026. So we got two similar cylindrical tanks. When we have similar figures, I like to use scale factors for these. So what a scale factor is this. It's the value that you would multiply a single dimension by to go from the smaller one to the bigger one. You could go bigger to smaller, but I just always make it smaller to bigger so we don't have to deal with fractions. So if they're in ratio 1 to 2, that means, in the radii, so that's a single dimension. So that means the radius going from the smaller one to the bigger one is getting multiplied by 2. So k equals 2. I just use k for the scale factor, by the way. So then what happens is whatever the scale factor is, when we're talking about what volume gets multiplied by to go from the smaller one to the bigger one, that always gets multiplied by the scale factor cubed because volume is three-dimensional. So if you multiply each single dimension by 2, the volume is going to get multiplied by 8. So if the volume of the smaller one, right, tank X, is 500, when you multiply that by 8, that'll give you the volume of the larger tank. So that is simply just 4,000. And that's all you have to do. A lot of times we see cylinders and we start looking up the volume as pi r squared h and doing a whole bunch of stuff. You don't need to do that with these similar figure problems. Just use scale factors. The scale factor k is the value that any single dimension gets multiplied by, including perimeter. Area gets multiplied by k squared. Volume gets multiplied by k cubed. All right? Hope that helped.